Over the years, I have seen many young and talented art enthusiasts not able to continue on their creative paths because they lacked the right direction or they lacked the support that they needed. Many children totally give up on their love and passion for art which they had once found in school. Once they reach the 6th grade or the 7th grade, art as a main subject is totally removed from the systems. Now tell me, what about the talent which was suppressed by the society? What about the talent which was not nurtured and given a right environment to flourish? What about that giant tree which was waiting to come out of the tiny seed? And what if I told you those creatives were born to make art? Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Khandkar. I'm a portrait artist specializing in realistic graphite drawings. And these are some of the questions that have always haunted me since a long time. Now looking back, when I see my childhood days, I have always had that creative inclination, but I did not get the right direction to move ahead. I did not get to explore more of my creative self, and because of that I had to take a longer route to following my passion. Now with longer route, what I mean is that I switched careers, I changed different fields, I tried different things, but ultimately finally I walked all of those paths. But the true calling which I had, which was there inside me, I listened to it finally when the time came, when I got everything sorted. So that's what I am actually standing for. I know there are so many people similar to me who also have taken this longer route, maybe 10 years or 30 years of spending their precious lives doing something else, like pursuing what they did not love. And I also know that there are going to be many people who will be following the same path, where ignoring or avoiding the true calling you have inside. That's why I have this mission. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 students explore their true creative passion and unleash the inherent artist, and help them master the skill of realistic drawing so that they gain the confidence they need to pursue what they love at a right age. With this mission in mind, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, where I'll be sharing fun, easy, beginner-friendly drawing techniques to help you draw realistic portraits in the most simplest way. You'll be actually amazed at your own self that you have these abilities inside you. I believe drawing is not as hard as it seems. It is as simple as writing your own name. So subscribe to my channel if you're ready to walk the journey of exploring yourself as an artist. And remember, I honor your creative genius.